Hi everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock any Samsung phone from the earliest models all the way to the latest generation. This will unlock your phone to use it with any SIM card in any country from any service provider. Today I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but feel free to follow along with any Samsung device. I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone step by step, and if you're wondering, yes, you can unlock your phone even if it's under an active contract with your current service provider. Unlocking a phone is not a free process, but I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. By the way, please like and hit subscribe. So with that said, let's begin. Step 1. We need to get a phone's IMEI number. We will get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This number can also be found in the box and in the settings of your device. Step 2. We're gonna go to the following website. Using this tool, we will unlock the phone. We're going to start by selecting the original carrier and the country that your phone is currently locked to. In some cases, you will get multiple services. Some are faster than others. Next up, insert your IMEI number. This is the number that we got previously. Step 3. After receiving the notification that your phone has been unlocked, we're going to power off the device, and you will need to remove the SIM card tray and insert a SIM card that is different from the original carrier. Power on your device, and a message will pop up requesting the unlock code. If you received an unlock code, this is the time to enter it, and press unlock. You will get a success message indicating that your phone has now been unlocked. Perfect, now you can use your phone with any carrier anywhere in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.